If you want to switch a system language on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so first we'll open up your settings. Now we're gonna scroll down to our General Management tab, open it up, find your language. Now press Add Language and choose any other language, for example, Spanish. Choose it. Now you'll have a choice whether keep current or set it as a default. Press Set it as a default, and now all of our settings and basically our phone is gonna be in Spanish. If you want to switch back to your English, once again open up your language tab. You can either hold on your English language and put it at the first one and your phone will switch to this language automatically, or you can do this through your Add Language menu. If you want to delete another language, press Edit, choose language which you want to delete, press Delete, press Remove, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.